So this is a float stitch or a mist stitch. A float stitch is generally visible in single jersey jacquard designs wherever you want to change the color. Say for example, this is a blue loop and this is a red loop and this is a blue loop. So when you want to knit the blue loop again, what happens is the yarn just floats from the back of the red loop and forms here. So wherever you want to do some patterns, you will use a float stitch or a mist stitch. Mist stitches generally do not have much meaning. They are only used to change the color. So the width of the fabric reduces wherever you have a mist stitch. And the technical representation of mist stitch is that you just form a float. So if you look at here, this is a complete loop, this is a complete loop, a complete loop. So all the loops are all complete. This is the technical face of a single jersey fabric. Next row, you have a knit stitch and you have a mist stitch. So there are 3 veils. You have 3 veils here. So here you show a mist stitch with a stitch. Let's see how do you draw a mist stitch. So in mist stitch there is no knitting. So basically the needle is not knitting. This needle has not knitted. Because this needle has not knitted, this becomes like a held loop. So it becomes elongated. Mist stitches will always reduce the width of a fabric because it's not knitting. So, and this is no good because it forms a snag at the back. So this can get pulled with your finger rings. So let's draw a mist stitch or a float stitch. So it's also called a mist stitch. Mist stitch means there is no knitting which is happening. So miss one stitch. So draw the feet. That's a float. And have another float. So draw the arms. We are drawing the technical back. So if it misses 2 times, so then this will be. So the held loop is longer. So that is the held loop. It has not knitted. So draw the arms, all the loops. So 4 veils, 4 needles, complete loop, complete loop, complete loop, complete. This is a big loop, but it's complete. Technical back. So this is a complete loop, mist stitch, complete loop. Again, complete loop, miss, complete, complete. So this is how you draw the stitch notation of a mist stitch. Thank you.